when we were looking to build this building, it was important to the community that we had a makerspace. It's a little bit different is we're going for a community makerspace here. The intent there is to give people a space to come in and use some equipment that they likely could never afford. The naming of it, Les Dios's, started and owned Benchmade Knives, which is about a mile here from campus. They're an international knife company now, known for really high-end knives. He started that in his garage in California, moved it up here to Oregon City a few decades ago, and has had a partnership with the college ever since. A lot of our graduates will go on and work at Benchmade. It's a really good partnership we've had for a number of years. The way this works now is any student on campus can come in here and make things. You have to go through a safety test. You have to get approved that way. There's quite a bit of interesting equipment in here that they get to use. So of course there's the computers where they can do design, but then there are 3D printers. Somebody made a 3D printed a little Spider-Man on there, it looks like. So we have a CNC mill and a CNC lathe. We've got a robotic welder that you can use in here. Plasma cutters, we've got laser cutters and laser designs. If you have an interest and want to come in here and just make something or try that out, this is a place to do it. And there is a chess set actually that's entirely went through a CNC machine, the board and the pieces and everything. This is what we call more of a traditional manual machining. You've got bandsaw, you can cut, sander, belt sanders, and just metal cut of saw. What's interesting about this is you can't find wood shop anywhere anymore. The high schools got rid of those years ago, and we've found that more people are looking for wood cutting equipment, or being able to do traditional wood shop equipment, and that's really been one of the things that people don't have. None of this equipment's really anything new. It's just that you can't find it in one place anymore. Hey, maybe you're just a hobbyist. Maybe you're just making some Christmas gifts, or you want to come in and play around because you used to like to do this. But maybe you really are somebody who's thinking about, I want to try out this. I've got an idea for a product, and I want to come in and use a CNC machine and try it out, make some things on there, and it might become a big deal. That was the sort of the big idea there is. Someday maybe it'd be really cool if we had another Benchmade Knives, that started here.